Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Friends, in this video I am going to tell you about how to fix incoming call problem. If your incoming call banner is not showing and call is coming, how to fix this problem. First, it is a glitch or a bug of your smartphone. If it is lagging, you have to just long press your phone call application, click on I button, scroll down, click on storage and cache, clear data. Then friends, you have to give all the permissions like call logs, camera, contact, and if it is not working after this, you have to just disable this phone call app. You can just try Google phone call app, and by using it you will definitely go for this call, and it will uh, and when you just install it, now it will be showing the banner or you want like, and it will fix the problem. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.